I came out to my front porch to see all of that. Wow. It is snowing, but these birds are flying around in the snow. Okay, there's a lot of them. Hang on, I'm videotaping these birds. What the heck?
They're right behind you.
Thank you. Okay, they're flying to the tree and back to the wire. My pine tree. Oh, I can see it or not. And then they'll come back along here. That's a lot of birds, don't you think? What kind of birds are they? Do you know? There they go. Well, some of them. Oh, they're going everywhere. And back to the tree. Be careful in that tree. There's a wild squirrel over there. I know I'm missing most of it because I'm not very good at videotaping. Let me see if I can pause this and get a better seat. There they go in succession. How long will they sit on that line? Why are they sitting on the line in the rows? Let's see if we can get a close up of any of them. I don't know. I like being outside and I like the birds, and even though it's cold, it's so nice and lovely. Wow. I wish I could get them flying in and out of the tree, but as soon as I go to the tree, they disappear over there. They're all over this wire. Whoa! Okay, they're all over my house. Those just came off my roof. I don't know what kind of birds they are. To be honest, I should, but I don't. It's not the first time they've came here. There is a lot of them. They should fly out of that tree any minute now. But I always miss it. Wow. What kind of birds are they? Why are they covering my house in a blanket? And they're just sitting there, like watching, waiting for something weird. Wow. Amazing. There they go. Whoa. And they are gone. There's not a bird left on the wire.